Do you need a smarter, faster, and scalable logistics for your business? Don't get stuck with the high costs and restrictive rules dealing with Amazon and many other warehouses and 3PL businesses. At 3Course, we're your trusted 3PL partner, handling inventory storage, order fulfillment, shipping, and returns so you can focus on growing your business. Whether you're a booming e-commerce brand or scaling startup, our tech-driven warehouse solutions keep your supply chain running like clockwork. From tracking to seamless integrations, we make logistics simple. Here are just a few of some of our unique and amazing offers. High-quality fulfillment services you can trust. Secondly, shipping speed that will wow your customers. This will finally result in the growth your business deserves. Let us take the load off your back. Partner with 3Course today. Reach out now using the contact details on your screen. Let's connect and get started.